Oops. You want to put your feet in there? No, not right now. Oh, you sad? Victoria, look at mommy, please. Victoria, do you want to put your feet in there? Say 네. Victoria, 차렷. Victoria, can you say 안녕하세요? Good job. Victoria. Yes, you can do it. Happy baby, happy mommy. Thank you. 1, 2. You got 2 of them. Thank you. You give me 1. Wow. Oh, where did it go? Where did it go, Victoria? Uh-oh, peekaboo. There it is. Yes? Do you want this? Uh-oh, where did it go? Victoria, where is it? Uh-oh. Yes? Where did it go, Victoria? Peekaboo! There it is. Boo. Thank you. Yeah, you can do it. You can put your feet in there. Oopsie doo. Ah, it's cold. Ah! No, you're not gonna put your feet in there? Yay! Yeah! Yep. Oopsie doo. Where's your toes, Victoria? Where's your toes? Where's your toes? Where's your toes? There it is. Yes. Yeah, there's your toes. Yeah, that's your feet. Uh-huh. What? You want this back?
Yeah.
Here you go. You can have it.
No.
You want mommy to have it? Thank you. Uh-oh. Victoria. You want this? Oh, you want the chair? Okay. Daddy, where's Daddy? Oops. Hi, Daddy. Where's Mommy? Where's Victoria? Yes. Yes. I know. Oh, what did you got over there? Is that a seal? Uh-oh, where did it go? Let's go find him. What's that over there? Huh? Uh-oh, what is it over there? There's some animals. See animals. Whoa. Can you show Mommy? What do you have? No. Where's Victoria? Toast, 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 toast. No? That's your toes. Hello.
Peekaboo, I see you.
Peekaboo, where's Victoria? Boo! Where's Victoria? Uh-oh. Ah! Victoria, uh-oh. Victoria. Where's Victoria? Boo! Bird. Yeah, that's a bird. Bird. Yes. Yes, it's a pink bird. Yeah, bird. Owl. Yep, owl. Bird. Bird. Toes, 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 toes. Toes, toes, toes. Toes, toes, toes. That's how Victoria does head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Shoulders, knees, and toes, toes, toes. All done. Very good. High five. Victoria, do you want to do a high five? Yeah, good job.